We're in PE, and it's raining. We're in the boys' locker room. Look at their lockers.
I know, the lockers are heavy. You know what ours look like? Like this.
They're really small.
And they just like this. Yeah, they're
With
like
the lock.
It's gonna be windy.
I think mine's upside down now. There.
Hey, yours looks like mine, but different.
That's super cool.
Look, they look alike.
I know. They're like
It looks
twins.
like mine, but different.
Yours is thinner.
It's just the lens looks the same. That's it.
I think they are the same ones.
They are.
Yeah, they are.
No, mine says Nike.
Mine says X Slim or something.
That's different.
Looks like you're talking about I wish it zoomed, man.
Look, a white kid. They're pretty rare nowadays.
No, they're not.
I only
There's
see
one
white
right
people.
there.
I only see white people at my family.
We're picking our lacrosse teams.
Yeah, what she said. Elisha. How many people do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know how to count.
Mercedes?
You wish, huh?
Is Mercedes here today?
Yeah.
Where?
Seven players.
7.
I'm a player. I'm a player. Go ahead.
Yeah, I thought it was 2012 when the Thunder.
We're not doing anything. And we're here.
Then I hella screwed up my mom. She's trying to spell your name right like O-R. Yeah, sorry. Oh.
Oh, I'm moving it. I'm moving it. I'm moving it.
Hey, I know, right? Look at your house, Joseph's number.
Earthquake!
Did you guys not see that?
What?
He threw something at you.
Oh.
Dude, I threw an eraser and it bounced over his camera and it started rolling. You didn't see it?
No.
It was bright green.
Dean, have a white fail.
Watch right when you wipe.
I forgot Dean was half Asian.
Do a white fail.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
It freaking rolled.